Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download myChevrolet mobile app EV features, detailed guides. To download the myChevrolet mobile app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, this will be the App Store. If you have an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type myChevrolet. Press the search button to display the results. Look for the myChevrolet app in the results list. It should be labeled with the Chevrolet logo. Tap on the app icon to open the apps page. Here, you will see an option to download or install the app. If you're using an iPhone, tap the Get button. For Android users, tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the myChevrolet app. You may also find the app icon on your home screen. Next, you will need to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Chevrolet account, enter your credentials. If not, select the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to fill in your personal details. Once signed in, explore the app to find the EV features. Navigate through the menu to locate charging options and vehicle status. You can also schedule charging and monitor battery life. Familiarize yourself with all available features for your electric vehicle. For further assistance, refer to the support section in the app. Enjoy the convenience of managing your Chevrolet EV from your mobile device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.